let's work on lizard and pigeon, some deep hip openers. So first, go ahead and step one leg back and bring the knee down to the floor. And before we go into lizard, we're going to stay upright and just start opening up this hip flexor by pressing onto the knee, pushing the hips forward, and giving a nice stretch to that back leg. You can even go onto the ball of the foot for a different type of stretch. It's a little bit more active of a stretch for that hip flexor. So take the hands on the inside of that front leg and start inching the leg out to the side as far as you can, kind of maybe to the outside of the mat. And let that knee swing wide. Maybe you might want to come down to the forearms for a little deeper of a stretch. And just hold this for some time. You can even come onto the ball of the foot, just like we did earlier, for a more active stretch, engaging the front of the quadriceps here. Now we're going into pigeon. So sit back up and walk that front leg over to the other side, trying to get the shin to be parallel or at least close to that with the front of the mat. Now you can stay up or you can lay down flat and just relax. Every time you exhale, trying to expel all the air as much as possible, keep breathing. You can hold this one for a couple of minutes, maybe even using a bolster in front of you to lay on or a pillow. And when you're ready, you might want to sit up a little bit. Working on that back leg. And I hope you enjoyed your hip openers. Make sure to repeat on the other side. Love you guys.